Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 25, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 36.44%. This equates to an average loss of 3.31% each day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents an appealing buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, priced at $28.13, be breached, it would initially signal an increased rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately -4.21% over the next 3 months, with projected returns ranging between -27.64% and +124.20%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI includes the headline, High Volatility in Tempus AI Incorporated Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $37.23. The Tempus AI Incorporated stock price fell by 12.81% on the last day, Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, from $42.70 to $37.23. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 24.66%, ranging from a low of $36.50 to a high of $45.50. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 36.44% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may signal an early warning, indicating that the risk could rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 15 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $566,960,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $91.45, while the lowest price was $22.89. Currently, the price is 59.29%, or $54.22, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Thermo Fisher Scientific has recently introduced the Cryo-TEM cryo-transmission electron microscope, marking a significant advancement that enhances productivity and performance in molecular imaging. This state-of-the-art technology features improved optics and artificial intelligence-enabled automation, empowering researchers to achieve unparalleled levels of atomic resolution. Such innovations are poised to bolster Thermo Fisher's market competitiveness, likely having a positive impact on its stock. In addition, Tempus AI has experienced remarkable growth, with gains exceeding 40% year-to-date. This increase can be attributed to its strategic expansion in the field of genomics and a recent acquisition of Ambry Genetics, which strengthens its capabilities in inherited risk testing. Furthermore, the company showcased 4 abstracts at the American College of Cardiology annual meeting, underscoring its commitment to integrating artificial intelligence into healthcare solutions. The prevailing market trend favors healthcare stocks, especially those engaged in AI-driven precision medicine, suggesting a positive outlook for Tempus. In the short term, these developments could spark increased investor interest, potentially driving stock prices upward. In the long term, if these initiatives prove effective and lead to strong financial performance, Tempus may solidify its status as a leader in the healthcare technology sector, resulting in sustained stock appreciation. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TEM a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned TEM a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral rating along with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The stock of Tempus AI Incorporated currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $44.86 and $52.60. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 58.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 37 days ago. Bollinger reveals a buy signal from 104 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $34.92 and $32.34. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Tempus AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $34.92. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.34 and $31.83. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $9 between its high and low, which translates to 24.66%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 15.30%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates projecting a loss of 270 cents per share. it is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $42.58. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI faces its first support level at $34.92. If this support level proves to be resilient, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted an insider sale of 5,006 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted another insider sale of 16,273 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Gottlieb Scott again conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Gottlieb Scott completed yet another insider sale of 2,558 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Doudna Jennifer A. conducted an insider sale of 625 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 11 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 98.937. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 54,538 shares in the last 11 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Incorporated holds several negative signals and is currently in a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect Tempus AI to open higher by $2.51, starting at $39.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.